You know, I've definitely been through a lot, and a lot of people have definitely been through a lot too. And just don't stop fighting, because when you give up, you know, don't give up. That's the whole thing. There's always something worth living for. Yeah, of course.
All right, let's give the young man a chance to answer a question. What's your name?
My name's Corey.
Hi.
Hi. I was just wondering, your new single is "Give Your Heart a Break."
Yes.
Are we getting any sneak peek of that tonight? It's my favorite.
Maybe not. I don't know.
All right, one more question. What's your name?
Right here.
Hi, my name's Jessica,
Hi, Jessica.
and I wanted to know who would you want to do a collaboration with?
I would want to do a collaboration with Kelly Clarkson. She's my idol, and I love her.
All right, let's take one more question.
Right here.
What's your name?
Katie.
Hi, Katie.
Hi, I wanted to say congratulations on like everything.
Oh, thank you.
You and your music like really helped me through a hard time.
Thank you so much.
Aww.
Well, we'll do one question because that was just a really nice comment. Right there. What's your name, Abby?
Abby.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is red.
All right, let's do one more song.
Let's do Give Your Heart a Break.